Today I shall start exercise 1.3 question number 1. Question is prove that root 5 is an irrational number. Now proof. Let root 5 is a rational number. At first you have to assume that root 5 is a rational number. Then if root 5 you have assumed that it is a rational, so root 5 can be expressed as in the form of p by q. So I have taken it root 5 equal to a by b, where a and b are co-prime. Co-primes are the such numbers whose HCF is 1. So HCF of a comma b equal to 1 and b not equal to 0. Now squaring both sides. Root 5 square equal to a by b square. So 5 equal to a square by b square. So by cross multiplication 5b square equal to a square. Now left hand side, which is 5b square, it can be split up as 5 into b equal to a square. And now I have written this equation number 1, 5b square equal to a square. This is equation number 1. Now 5b square you split up as 5 into b equal to a square. Here the factors are 5, b and b. So the left hand side, when 5 is one of the factor, then left hand side must be divisible by 5. It is very common thing. So LHS 5b square is divisible by 5 because 5 is one of the factor. And here there is equal to sign, so right hand side, which is a square, must be divisible by 5. And there is a theorem that if a square of any number is divisible by any prime number, then if remove the square, then the number must be also divisible by the prime number. So you remove the square and so a must be divisible by 5. This is equation number A you have taken. When a is divisible by 5, so a equal to 5 into something. So a equal to 5c we have assumed, and putting this value in equation 1 here. 5b square equal to a square. Now 5b square equal to 5c whole square. Okay. Then 5b square equal to 25c square. So 5 5s are 25 and b square equal to 5c square. Here right hand side, which is 5 into c. So 5 is one of the factors, so it is divisible by 5. And there is equal to sign, so b square, that is left hand side, must be divisible by 5. And again same thing, if we remove the square, then b must be divisible by 5. Now from equation a and b we have small a and small b are divisible by 5. But a and b are co-prime. So there is a contradiction, because initial stage we have told that a and b are co-prime, but now a and b are divisible by 5. So there is a contradiction. So our assumption is wrong. So what is correct assumption? Root 5 is an irrational number. Proved. Now come to the question number 2. Prove that 3 plus 2 root 5 is irrational. Now again, let 3 plus 2 root 5 is a rational number. So 3 plus 2 root 5 equal to a by b, where a and b are co-prime and HCF of a and b equal to 1 and b not equal to 0. Here you try to root 5 alone. So at first these 3 you bring in the right hand side. So a by b minus 3, and this 2 will also remove. So root 5 equal to a by 2b minus 3 by 2. Now root 5, that is left hand side, is an irrational number, but a by 2b minus 3 by 2, that is right hand side, is a rational number. So left hand side not equal to right hand side. So there is a contradiction and our assumption is wrong. So 3 plus 2 root 5 is irrational number. It is proved. And question number 3 is, all the maths are of same type. Prove that the followings are irrational. 1 by root 2, first question. Let 1 by root 2 is a rational number. Show 1 by root 2 equal to a by b, where a and b are co-prime and HCF of a and b equal to 1, b not equal to 0. Then rationalize the denominator. So you multiply numerator and denominator by root 2. So in numerator that is root 2 and root 2 equal to a by b. What is our attempt? To make the root 2 alone. So root 2 equal to 2a by 2b. Now root 2, that is left hand side is an irrational, but 2a by b right hand side is a rational. So left hand side not equal to right hand side. So there is a contradiction and our assumption is wrong. So 1 by root 2 is an irrational number. Now again 7 root 5. This is in the product form. Let 7 root 5 is a rational number. All the maths are of same type. You look all the questions. 7 root 5 equal to a by b, where a and b are co-prime and HCF of a and b equal to 1 and b not equal to 0. So remove 7 at first. Root 5 equal to a by 7b. And root 5, that is left hand side, is an irrational number, but a by 7b right hand side is a rational number. So left hand side not equal to right hand side. So there is a contradiction. Our assumption is wrong. So what is the correct proof? Now 7 root 5 is an irrational number. Now 6 plus root 2, this is of the addition form. Let 6 plus root 2 is a rational number. So 6 plus root 2 equal to a by b, where a and b are co-prime and HCF of a and b equal to 1 and b not equal to 0. Now you remove 6. So root 2 equal to a by b minus 6. Root 2 left hand side is an irrational number, but a by b minus 6 right hand side is a rational number. So left hand side not equal to right hand side. So there is a contradiction. So our assumption is wrong. So 6 plus root 2 is an irrational number. Proved.